A Nile cruise trip is a very enjoyable experience that any visitor must do when he visits Egypt. The Nile cruise trip combines the history with the pleasant atmosphere, which makes it an unforgettable trip. Enjoy it with Blue Shadow. Blue Shadow Nile Cruise is the most luxury Nile cruise in Egypt. Between luxury and Aswan, Blue Shadow is a new built in 2014. The entire ship is built according to the rules and regulations of Germanscher Lloyd, including all the safety aspects. Blue Shadow is 5 stars deluxe Nile cruise with diminution 75-meter length, 14 meters and 40 centimeters width, 160 meters draft, 2 royal suites with size 47 and 90 square meter, 2 presidential suites with size 39 and 50 square meter, 54 deluxe cabins with size 23-55 square meters. Blue Shadow services and accommodations facilities, LCD television sets and satellite channels, tea and coffee making facilities, in-house movie program and music system, in-room safe box and minibar, individually controlled air-conditioned system, telephones with international direct dial, internet connection, all bathrooms with bathtub and hair dryer, large panoramic windows, laundry and dry cleaning, gift shop and hairdresser, gym and sauna.